Hi, Jeff Barlett here, and this is Guitar Techniques. So today what I'm doing is I have a capo here on the 7th fret, and what I'm going to use is the back of my hand to kind of mute the strings a little bit. And I'm going to finger pick. I'm going to come over here. You see where the two dots are? And I'm going to just finger pick the bottom strings. And I'm going to use back of my hand to mute it. I can also go up a string. Right? Using a capo can make you sound really cool with guitar solos. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.